A space turns livable when it gets painted in the shades that reflect the personality of the people that live in and the purpose for which it is built. Such is the importance and impact of paints in a living space. Driven by the belief, Techno Paints started its journey a decade back, and within no time, with its experience and the world-class product, has managed to hold 40% of the market share in the southern part of India. With wide expertise, we offer a gamut of products like textures, putties, primer, emulsions and more. In texture, we deal with fine texture, regular textures and multicolored textures. We have an in-house R&D team that constantly strives to develop new products that blend quality, colors and properties of the paint. Our manufacturing unit has the capacity to produce 4,500 metric tons per month and nearly 30 plus products. We have 3 manufacturing units in Telangana and 2 in Andhra Pradesh. Our bandwidth of manufacturing enables us to deliver a wide spectrum of services that are spread across the globe. We cater to more than 250 corporate clients. We supply to 500 plus dealers across South India. We have successfully completed 613 standalone projects. And we have 165 plus ongoing projects that are nearing completion. With 18 years of manufacturing experience, 24 years of service experience, 1500 plus skilled painters, Techno Paints has always managed to deliver impeccable service with utmost quality and within the deadline. As the industry recognizes our expertise and makes us one of the leading paints manufacturers and service providers in South India, we believe that our relentless commitment to satisfy our customers and the support of our people working with us has been the cause of our success. As we surge forward, we commit to quality, timely execution, competitive pricing, and aim to expand into the global paint market.